call the youth that was supposed to, all the people that was supposed to.
Someone do that, sir.
I don't know whether that's a one way.
What is he doing?
Then turn left.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, it's been crazy, trust me. Crazy, I want to come live from 12 midday. Jesus.
Turn left on McLean Avenue. Then turn left on Central Park Avenue.
From 12 midday, I want to come from this live. I don't know what kind of sign this. The amount of things that happened to me before I come from this live. I swear, people. I don't want to believe it. So now I have to be on the road because I'm heading to the airport. So it's like I'm feeling like I'm disappointing people because everybody texting me. But somebody must turn off my thing, you know, because we don't want nobody with them negative energy over here. I should turn off my comments them. Sorry about the waiting. Somebody said them a wait. Somebody said I'm going to turn off my comments them because I'm afraid of them. And them dirty comments that them all come with. Anyway, as you can see, I'm on the road. Okay, good, thank you. Alright guys, hey, what's up? Yeah, you guys hearing me clear though? Because I'm on the road and I didn't want to really take on any. Let me make sure the ring for my phone, the ringer too. I need to turn off the ringer because somebody call my phone. Yeah, give me that. Let me turn off the ringer. Turn off the ringer so it now affect everything me I try to make affect the call. Me look so tired. See it, me not sleep. Let me clean off the thing more. The thing look like it want to clean off some more. I'm not gonna stay long because let me tell you, I'm heading to the airport and it's kind of
turn left on Central Park Avenue.
It's been a hectic weekend. I was trying to avoid talking about this topic, but it's been crazy. Like it's been crazy for me, crazy. Like one of the people don't understand say, but sit down every night
in half a mile,
and it's like
I-87 South,
everything. When we listen to Tonya Stevens interview, everything does. It's like a nightmare for me because it is not easy to say what I'm about to say because you know when you want to say something for years and somebody said for them thing and you say, oh my God. It's like, you know, things ever happen to you in a life where you feel like say you alone, but when people talk you say, but Jesus have mercy, I know you alone, you know. So that's basically what happened when me hear Tanya's story. Because mine is totally different. You know? My one is life and death. Right now at this point, if me even talk right or so, I might have to start get bodyguard or something. I don't know. It depends, you know. So, you know, everybody know Macka. I'm in the music business for years now. I'll get to the point because we kind of look at traffic now still, so I kind of can't sound like I'm moving. So you know, I'm in the business for a couple of years. I started out at 16-year-old. When I started out, I was the youngest at the time. Then comes Patra. Then Patra becomes the youngest. You know, so I mean, coming out of high school, I go straight. I not even go sixth form because the way I'm anxious. I just want to go to the music. So I run out of school and I just head straight into the music business. I start go to the studio and I start go, you know. But one of my first disappointments was when I started to go to the first studio in Tower Hill. The security guard, because it what happened to me now, I always hear about people have to sleep with people and sex and all these things to bus. So I was already aware. I came out of school and going to studio with expectation. And I made up my mind that I'm gonna defend myself if I buck up on people like those. So for me, I was very defensive when somebody approached me about trying to sleep with me. For, you know, in the music or try for, you know, whatever. I'm gonna try to protect myself. So I was very protective of myself. Anyway, I remember I started going to a studio in Tower Hill, and there was this tall security guard. He was a security guard for the studio, and he was asking me to sleep with him for months and months, and I was very defensive. And I remember going there one day, because this guy's tall and thick and tramped, because security, because he's a security, and that's a bad area. And I remember, because I keep being defensive, him start lock me out and lock the gate now. And say, nah, come into the studio. And you know what the guy did one day when I come there? The guy took off him big boot. The boot looked like him weigh about 12. And lick me in my chest with it, I say, girlfriend, you now give me no rare, can't come into the studio. And I said, Jesus Christ. That them time my father come from Tonya and him live around the corner. I not tell him these things. Right now, when my father here, him gonna say I'm wicked. Because I'm not tell him nothing. And I remember I call the producer who owned the studio, and I saw me have to end up a complaint, because me as a person, things will happen to me, I'm going to keep it in. So at this time, by the time I call the producer, I don't know what happened to him. Then they say I'm the bad boy and the ear and all these things, and very. But me just telling you some of the least, you know. Oh, when we started and the things then when we endure. So I kind of feel what the woman I go through, and I kind of understand now, because a lot of people link me from the other day and I tell me, say, how old a woman have things but them afraid to talk, and it started upset me and make me feel like me don't know if I go dig up honestness or I go dig up what, but you know, it's like me I say, no, so I have to talk because it hurt me not sleep. Me I tell her the truth, me not sleep, because it like me I say, oh my God, like, you know, it's like a nightmare, because me relive it. I relive something where me never talk about. So me telling about that we start. So me been going to studio when me book up on producers and people will say them like me, but me ignore me. As me tell them, when it comes to the sexual harassment, I was very defensive, and I try not to dress certain way. Although people used to say, oh, you're sexy and you dress like in a short clothes. I try, if me know I'm going to stay late at studio, I put on long clothes and all these things. That's why the other day when a lot of people were saying, oh, Koffee look like she a lesbian and all these things, me kind of did sit down. I told a lot of people, say, me know why Koffee dressed that way there. Me know why she dressed that way, that she doesn't want to look like one of the man them, and she don't want to be harassed. I tell a lot of people that, but people don't listen to me because of things that I go through. You understand? And study the business. So when they say Koffee dressed that way, that no people assume, say, oh, she a lesbian. No. Me kind of know that she have to dress a little tomboy-ish and try to protect herself. You understand me? I try to say. So, moving on now. Me did it when I say top producer now. Did it with them wife and sitting and still tell me say them want to sleep with me, and me get defensive. Me not do that. Me not do it. Me said, no, you're crazy, whatever. Then them son want to sleep with me. Then me said to them, say, no man, we're not rich people, we don't want poor me. That time I look a poor girl. I come from Portmore and I'm look at one clothes. If me no wash on Saturdays, me not have no clothes to come out Monday morning. So me can't afford if no rich man pitting on a rich man that want to sleep with me, and then when I look like me I'd stress out myself. So I was very protective of my sexual part of my body, you know. So that's why I don't find out, say, with Macka and no people not really help me. No bag of artists not do no song with me, them drag me down, them this, them that. Me not go to international level. So they make me start the pre in my head now and I say, oh, most of the time when I help them female, them have to sleep with them. I remember artists, me I talk about artists, I talk about like 2 years ago, me look for artists and say, do a song with me, you know? Them say, boy, me I tell you the truth, you have to give me look a pussy. You understand? Sorry my language man live, but me just try telling some little things, then me get to the point, the serious part of what has been affecting me. I'm kind of glad Tonya come out, so me find a little strength when me can talk about my own. So me now come over yourself and telling you, say, nobody raped me or nobody this or nobody that, but my one was very drastic. My one is very, right now I can come over the live today, and me don't know what will happen to me. But me have to talk because me never talk. Because I was paid not to talk. That's how serious it is. I was paid not to talk. So right now, me walk with all my rags. See my rag here? Me don't know if I go cry, because I think I've gained strength and I get strong since I've been bullied all over the net. People disagree. People don't know what I go through. No, people don't know what I go through in other music here. Anyway, I'll skip over enough of the things then, because I don't want it sound drawn out, because I want to come off quick. being in the music business, I always try to be independent. Anybody know about Capricorns? Capricorns will always try to make money and be independent. So my way to survive in the business and not being abused that I have to sleep with somebody to get money, I got also dub plate. So during this journey of hustling my dub plates, you know, them telling the artists them big, you know, when I'm a boss, you know, big up Capleton. Capleton was always there for me. Very decent man. I can't tell you people. So me can look up to Capleton. That man, a very good man. Professor Nuts. Me have artists and me can big up. And every one of them terrible. You understand? Me go with Professor Nuts for days on the road, and he was a very respectable person. And I sat around Capleton house a lot, and he was very respected. Right? So during them time when I do the dub plate, them Capleton them used to give me free dub. We get dub plate from whole heap of artists. So by this time you have artists them days, enough of them not get along. You know? Enough of them not get along. So one of the artists them, when I beg him dub plate, him never can give me a dub plate yet. But when they go to the next artist, me get it. So me mostly, so what happen, the artists when they really want to give me the dub plate, I really film studio, me hang out. The reason why I hang out at that studio is because the producer was very respectable to me, and the owner for that studio, me love him and everything, and he used to take care of me. Even him I got vexed with me when I talk to them because him beg me not to say nothing, you know. Anyway, I met my dub plate them, and I met my dub plate them, and these two artists them not get along none at all. So I was in between the both of them. And I remember one day I went to the other studio, not the one that me always hang out with the artists when I now give me the dub plate, but because I always have to go other places. This artist not give me no dub plate, they never mean to me, but me still at the studio because of the producer, and I love the producer. So I remember now, me go to the studio, the other studio now, and they're around there with the other artists, but they were, you know, every time through the two artists them not get along. Enough artists not get along them time. The whole heap of artists not friction. So me did it now, and one of the students me I get some dub plate from the artist, and me I said, John, no, me can't eat me look of food weekend, and so me get me look of dub them now, and me trod out and hold me look of bus, and them time we not email song to people. We have to get them on CD and sound man, we have to send them to them, or I never remember how it reached. And me well gone to my studio now, because me I said this, so me hang out every year. Me gone to the studio now, which part the artist there when I really give me no dub, but me and the producer good, and I did some record, and them a show me like a good love otherwise from not giving me dub. So me head out now and say me gone to the studio now, go hang out and do what me have to do. But when me walk going to the studio, me see some whole heap of tough face man, because they know them time the artists have them entourage. I don't even know. Artists have 20 man around them and whole heap of entourage. So me see this big old entourage with a man that look upon me like me do something wrong. So me I say, what me do? About 20 man, you know, because the studio ever full up a man, you know. I'm still one of the man that look upon me weird, and which part of the studio there one big old gate, you know, them high gate that when me cut the iron. And me just see gate lock behind me, plop. And me I say, I want to go on. So same time the artist walk out. Hey girl, they run a studio. Run our studio, I deal with artists. When me not like and you call up my name. And me I say, what you talk about? Me go a dub plate, me go look. And me beg a dub plate all while they don't want to give me something. I understand better. The artist never want to hear nothing. Me I say, you know what the artist do? Take up one big piece of board, and when him done broke it up on me, you know, me my back left, right. Me talk about artists wanna love, and say when me every day when me see the artists and me see the people that run him down, and people that say them love this man, the man take the board and lick me straight right back through the iron gate, right through the gate. Oh God! Oh God! My artist broke up the board. Oh my God! And the big old 20 man them stand up there. I said, why is that girl? How she forget it? I got this. And she had this young, and she got chatting with the next artist girl argument. Me say me couldn't believe it. And 20 more man stand up there watching man take the board. And beat me up and broke up the world for me. And me couldn't do a run. When me run, me see the nearest police station. Oh, me run going there. One of the wickedest things happened to me when me run going to the police station. The superintendent and the next artist, uncle. Jesus Christ. When me sit down and make the complaint, the man said, be a Ray uncle. You have to lock him up. And I said, Lord Jesus, I'm not going to mix up this a bit in that. I said, what I'm looking to before, but I board broke up all now. I still have the mark in my back. Me not talk. Me never talk. And then I start fret now because the people where me know we do me things. But me just say, me understand. Me Tonya say fear one might be that type of abuse, but the abuse this same way, like, me dey feel so abused. 20 strong man turn up there and watch the artist beat me up. And the whole of the man, them a laugh, like, you know, like, me and nobody, like, and them tell them I'm not career yet, me not boss or nothing. So someone me dey tell myself, say, me nah bother the music. Someone me dey tell myself, say, me done with it. And then now, Mama say, me go to the station now and go book up on the inspector. When I book up on the inspector, the next artist uncle. If the inspector hear, I'm gonna, or the superintendent, them know what. If he hear this alive, I'm gonna say, yes, me did tell him to lock him up. But by the time them say, them would lock him up, me they feel bad because them tell the artist manager, me love him because the manager take care of me without him and look me up that the man not do no harm to me. The manager is such a nice person. So by this time in the evening, when I go home, the manager called me. I said to myself, please, me I beg you, nobody say nothing. And me go send some money come give. And it's not even the money, but me even accept the apology. Is the fact that me never bust it and me no nobody, and that situation would have been like maybe me would have lose my life. Me don't know. Me don't know if me still gonna lose it. No, because when them hear, them are gonna say, but we tell her not to talk and we give her money or this or that or whatever. But true, me get so old now and nobody no business about me in music, and the same artist me say talk to me enough time. The artist that talk to me see me and like me I say him no remember what do to me. Me I run joke and say to him, say, do one song with me and I know you know look for me. For years me I say that. I say if I do that for apology or something, nothing. That means that the person hate me or something, because you could never beat up somebody after me, you know, so I look at dub plate hustling me I do. And so me live because me want to survive till my career take off. And you never give me one yet. Me no cure, me beg the artist are the biggest thing at that time. And me beg you a dub plate and you don't never give me. And me go to a next man now and the man give it to me. And you know, in order, me don't know where your man them are, your man them will par with you, come say to you about a little poor girl like me. A little poor girl like me at that time, me don't know body. Me and nobody, me just come a studio and try look a bus. And me don't know what I'm gonna say to you for you take a board and broke it up on me. And for years me walk with that on my brain and on my head. And me just not know how. And me see her talk to me, see the artist talk to me. Me see people love me. Me not talk about the normal artist. Me not talk about the normal. Me talk about artists where I make millions every day, every year, where people love. You understand? And the manager called me now and said, they might give me some money, and if you just relax, I'm going to forget doctor, I'm going to forget this, I'm going to forget that. And I'm not tell my mother, I'm not tell nobody, I'm not tell my parents, I'm not tell nobody, I'm just still, because I'm telling my mother they leave gone foreign anyway. And me the kind of dip on my own still, you know, and when the manager called me, me couldn't press the charge, because that the manager there's somebody where help me out a lot. Any problem I have them time and make me escape a lot of other stuff, you know. So me accept the money. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me accept the money And I remember I said to myself, say, them time I have one something and whatnot. And I tell myself, I'm going to buy one big whatnot with the money. Because I told the money enough. I'm going to buy one big double-sided whatnot. And put it in my house and put it in front of me and said, this is going to remind me every day. And me the kind of sorry me to do that because every time I look on it, I cry because I say, man can't wicked so. Oh, you feel take board and beat me so in front of everybody at studio. Me run through the gate, me run, me no know how me not dead. I know me no know how me still alive. God no. You understand? So me just saying, a whole heap of things we go through as woman at the business, and I don't really come up and stay long because I know them are going to drag me and people are going to drag me, but I just try to say, when I hear about whatever people are going through, I try to make people know, say, my thing, them not normal. What day I say I go do one documentary because the things that when me go through, I want different type of something. I not say people not try to say right sex or whatever, but as I tell you now, I come in, I go into the business with a shield. Like, me go in there with the intention, say, nobody now go force me for have no sex, you know. And then I travel par with people where, you know, good to me and, you know, and treat me with respect. You know, so I start to par with a lot of different people where show me a lot of respect. And what me I try to tell them is that this was one of the journey them boy throw shoes in my chest. Me go to studio, them I tell me say people run me out of the studio. You know, whole heap of things. Whole heap of things. It's been, and right now, I just feel like, sometimes I just feel like the artist will just address it to me and say, boy, you know, say, me the kind of be a big man about that and say, no, say, me the feel fuck up because I shouldn't really take no board and beat you up like that because, you know, I don't know if I not feel like I eat that right now because the 20 man, them with the turn up, they're like, I want to do that, I want to make that happen like when me do. More than I just go look dub plate and I go get a dub plate and come back happy. And you now give me no dub plate and me get beaten for that. Because me have to stay neutral. Me can't stay between 2 man or 3 man or 4 man if them not talk. Me have to stay neutral in between everybody. So just that me do that try to stay neutral. Because me no boss, me no reach nowhere. Me not call the name. Me not call the name. Me not call the name because I reach half a journey in my life and I want to finish it. So, what I try to say is, I just make you know, and I just make Tonya know, say, you're not alone, darling. I go through it too. It might be a different way, but I go through it too. And I have to thank God for a few of my friends and a couple of people who take care of me. And never been abusive. I go through it too with a couple of people where them just verbally abuse me and them disrespect me and them try for, you know. Anyways, I go on my journey. I head to the airport. On a good note, I'm still alive. I'm still here. My career ended up took off. Yeah, and then you know, I'm going to drama too. You know, funny enough, when my career took off, me and the same artist ended up on a big show in America. And you know what that artist did? Trying to get me to come to his room to sleep with him. And I was like seriously, after you take big board beat me up, you really think that me are gonna out of the room and sleep with him? That's all daring. You know, anyway, me love you guys, you know. Daddy Reds and the whole family over there, big up, you know. I know everybody was expecting to hear a different type of topic, but I mean, this was one of my most abusive situations I've ever been through in this music business. Everything, that's why I see when people come on the net and them drag me and me this and me that and me go through worse. So what else can you guys do to me to feel, let me feel anyway, you know? But you know, I want to big up some of the people I see on the live. Yeah, Diverse, big up. Daddy Reds. Yeah, Daddy Reds, big up. Me don't never phone like a ring and nobody gonna say, Ray, where you dig up this and dig up that for because you never talk about it. But me just want to get it off my chest. Me just want to get it off my chest and say, the artist when they take the board and beat me up, I love it same way. Enough love. Me get over it in a way. I do it dig up in my brain now. But not eat nothing. Everything blessed. And not because I come and I talk about it now. I go dig up nothing on no police station or no problem. Nothing. But just make the people them know say part of my journey wasn't easy also. You understand? Big up Dan Mafia, big up yourself. When I good youth them, big up yourself Mafia. Mafia was one of them with their own me and saved me through my journey, you know? Where him one of them I know a lot of things I'm gonna go through. I remember one day Unicorn, may his soul rest in peace. Unicorn get a little bit aggressive with me one day. Many might argue and he tell me because suck me mother left, right and center. And Dan Mafia there for defend it for me, you know. So I have some people will defend me sometimes. So I have to give thanks to them and big respect. Anyway, bye guys. Me know what gonna happen. The internet I got drag right, left, so I'm used to it. But anyway, me not care. I'm gonna be winding up my little body, winding up myself, and full joy in myself. Alright, love you guys, enough love and thank you guys. Remember to follow me though, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Just follow me guys. You know, my journey hasn't been it wasn't an easy one. It's still not easy. I'm still here and I'm still doing what I have to do. So I wanna say enough love to those who stick out with me for quite a while and still is there with me. Alright? Love you guys. Somebody should turn off the thing then, but me not worry about who I said nothing from who I said this. Me just want to know say me get this off of my chest. My career still after that couple years after me become one of the biggest artists them could have stand up beside every artist and perform. And me want to big up the artist too. This is the artist that me get the beating over. Him know himself. Because I told him. The artist where I told the artist, you know? Because I think I owe that artist to tell him because I was trying to ask him if when I was around there if we had discussed that other artist and him I said, no, nothing like that and very. So I'm ever still big up the artist there because the artist there was one of them people that will help me during my journey to keep me monetary with my little dub plate program, you know. Big up to the artists them where used to give me a little free dub and make us speak with the sound man them. Enough love. Me love you know. Alright, so love you guys. If you watch the road, you come like a me a drive. So that's why I'm not even look at the camera too much up on the road. Alright? Who call me? But you say you still gonna marry me? But you say diverse? Oh, one of the best. Okay. Alright, sweetheart. Big up diverse. Love you, my sis. Big up to everybody. Alright? Later, guys. Enough love.